This time I'm going to show sending an email to a single lead or contact and how to do that. So I'm here in the leads area of Microsoft CRM, and I am going to open up this lead record. And so while I'm on the lead record, I'll notice I've got a send email button here at the top. And so when I click the send email button, I get a pop-up window that brings an email send record. If you have a pop-up blocker enabled for Microsoft CRM, there might be a problem. You might want to disable that. But notice when I bring it up, it shows me a list of recipients that are leads. And of course it's just that one record because that's all I've put in. And all I need to do is attach the template that I want to send. So I'm going to attach this airmail template and then specify the user that it's coming from. And then I just simply need to save the record. Now at this point I don't need to do anything else. If I wanted to link it to a campaign, I could do that. But if not, I simply need to click send. And then the send will go through, the email will be sent to the recipient. Just as before, I'll be able to look in the email sends area of Microsoft CRM and the click dimensions and look at my outbox. I'll see that email there, but it doesn't stay there long because it immediately sends, and now it's in the sent emails area. Now what happens when I send an email is that for everybody that receives the email, for all the recipients, I get a record called a sent email record. So my latest email was this airmail template record, and I've sent myself a lot of tests, so I'm just going to open one of those tests. Let's see, this one, maybe let me open one that has a click on it. So I'm going to open this, and this sent email is a record of that lead being sent an email and then all the statistics that go along with it. Delivery record that shows that it got to at least to the server of the recipient. The open records prove that it was actually made it to the inbox because it was open, and then the click records show that it was clicked on. And so these are all email events. If I click on the email events right here for this particular sent email, I can see that it was delivered, open, click. I can go in and I can see the link that was clicked. And this can be very useful information because then I can segment. So I can come in and I can get a list of everybody that was sent. For example, the December newsletter that clicked on a specific link, and then I could add all those people to a quick campaign or a marketing list, or send them another email, or do some sort of other follow-up. So I have all that detailed information, and all this information comes in real time. As soon as the user clicks on that email, an event is fired through our email engine, which comes back into CRM, and so that's all real-time data. And so that's how you send, do a single send from a lead or contact. Works the same way with contact records, just going to the record, clicking the send email button, and then filling in the template and who you want that to come from, and the email will send.